Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on customizing buttons in Wix.com. In this video, hopefully I will be showing you how to design, how to customize your buttons to fit your website style. The process is very simple and very easy. It would take a few minutes to add a button and then completely customizing your buttons on Wix.com. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and that is how it is going to direct you to your Wix website. This is the type of the dashboard that must appear on your screen if you are a newbie, or if you are a previous user of Wix.com and you know how to create a website, then it would be easy for you to completely go and edit your site. But if you are a newbie, first thing that you need to do is go create a website on Wix.com where you would be able to add buttons and then customize it according to your website style. So I will be giving you a quick introduction on how to create a website on Wix.com, but if you are a previous user, let me show you guys how the websites are going to appear. This is how there will be the number of websites that you must have created if you are a previous user. But let's just get started for the newbies. For that, what you need to do is go to your Create New Site. After clicking on the button on Create New Site, it is going to ask you a few simple questions that you need to answer, and it is going to prepare a template according to the answer. This is how Wix would be able to determine what type of the content you're looking for. So they're asking me, tell us about the site you're creating and get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage. I am going to set up without the chat, but you can also start with chat. This is according to your preference. Now they're asking me what type of website do I want to create. You see, there are a number of options that you can choose. You can choose online store, a portfolio, a blog, a consultant. You can also choose a technology company. It could be a restaurant, it could be events, and much more. If you don't see any option that you're looking for in this list, then you can simply go type it over here and it is going to help you find it. Let's just say I am looking for a blog post, but if you're not ready to answer this type of the question, then you can also skip this. There is not any restriction that you must choose the type of the website you're looking for. Then it is going to direct you to your dashboard, asking a few simple questions. The way it is actually appearing over here, like what would you like to call your website? This would be used to customize your online experience. Here you need to add the name for your site. Let's just say ABC. Or you can also skip this question. So I'm going to type here ABC or continue. Otherwise, you would be given an option to skip it. Now, the second question is, what are your goals for this site? It could be used to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, display creative work, offer services, promote a business, promote myself, and just explore. So I am going to be skipping this part, but you can also select this because this is just for the sake of the video, so it does not make any sense. But since you're looking for creating a new website, then it would be crucial for you to find out what type of the website you're looking for. Okay, now choose the apps you would like to add. It could be an online store, bookings, events, or just scroll down and you will find the number of other options and the number of other apps that you would like to add. But here I am going to skip this part because if I already want to add the type of the app, then when the Wix loads the type of the website for me, it gives me the option to add apps separately. So this is the most crucial part. How would you like to design your website? Now two options are given. You can choose generate a design with AI, or you can also use the customized template. Now Wix is going to help you find out the type of the website that you're looking for and the template that you're looking for according to the answers that you have given to the given questions. But here, if you're looking for starting something from the scratch, then you can choose generate the design with AI. But since I'm looking for customizing a template because I am looking for much less of labor route, so I'm going to be choosing this one. Okay, now they're asking me that what type of the website template that I'm looking for according to the blog post or according to whatever I'm looking for. So let's just say I'm looking for more of a simple option, so I'm going to be choosing this one. Here, it might take a few minutes to load the site because it is going to prepare your site, but I don't think this wait is basically worth it because it is going to make all your options secure to use. So this is how you will be able to prepare your site. It will load your page, and after the site is loaded, now this is the most crucial step because this is how you are going to add the buttons. First of all, I will tell you how to add the buttons, and after that we will be customizing the given button. So this is your website that has been prepared by Wix.com. Now I need to add the button to my header, or let's just say I want to add my buttons to this main section. So you see, you need to head over to this part. Here you see the option of add elements. Simply go click on it. Here you see there are so many options, but you're going to choose the buttons. Let's just click on this button, and there are so many options: theme buttons, text icons, icon buttons, image buttons, documents, iTunes, Wix button, pay button, PayPal buttons. You can choose any one of these, and then you will be able to customize them according to what you're looking for. Let's just say I'm choosing this simple button, and now I'm going to customize it. Drag it to your desired location where you want this button to be. Let's just say I'm looking for my button to be placed over here. Now it is going to ask me that how I'm going to customize it, or let me just place it over here. Now I want to turn this button into my buy button, so I'm going to go to the settings. Here you see there's an option of text only, so I am going to write here what type of the button I'm looking for. Let's just say I type here buy it. I'm going to be click on buy it, and then you can choose the link according to your preferences. After you click on buy it and you choose a link, you can simply go cancel it. Here there are options of layout. You can choose different types of the layout, like if you're looking to put your text in the center or on the left or to the center, you can also choose these. Moreover, there's an option of design. You can choose the design, either you want it to be looking this way or the dark button. Let's just say I'm looking for this. Okay, so you can also customize the designs, means you can add the background filling, you can add the text. Let's just say I want to make my text size increase. You can simply go increase it, or if you want to decrease it, you can simply change the px. You see there is the character spacing, there is the line spacing, there is the option of highlight colors. I can choose the highlight colors as well. So this is how you're going to customize your buttons. It is going to give you so many options to customize it, and after you're done customizing your button, you're simply going to preview it on your desktop mode and on your mobile mode. Let's just say this is how it is going to appear. So this is how this is going to appear. I'm going to check it out on the mobile mode as well. Here you see the button option. It is very easy, very simple. This is how you're going to add the button to your website. You can also do so many things to your button. You can cause the mobile optimization. You can do final touches. Let's just say you can add some final touches to your button. You can add shadows, you can add borders, and the other design elements to make it stand out. And I have given you a simple brief introduction of how to add buttons and simply customize it. If you like your button, you are simply going to go click on save, and if you are done and you are ready publishing it, you can go click on publish it. So yeah, that's it. You have successfully customized a button in your Wix website. With these steps, you can create button that fits your website style and enhance the user experience. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.